Yes, absolutely. Cancer, as you know, is a very tragic disease and it's all too common. And ultimately, cancer is very survivable if it's found early. For example, in colorectal cancer, you have about a 90% chance of surviving if you're found in the first stage of the cancer, and about 10% if you're found in the last stage. So early detection is absolutely the way forward. And if you find the cancer, you have it removed, you'll live a long life and it'll have a very small effect on you. The only issue is current diagnostics tend to find cancer quite late because they're either expensive or invasive or just don't work very well at all. We believe blood is the answer because as part of your normal clinical procedure, you give blood many, many times in your normal process. The only issue is there aren't any blood tests out there which really work well. So, a lot of other blood tests under development are very complicated and expensive tests looking for cell-free DNA or microRNA. These tests may well work, they're just very expensive to run and they'll never really be a low-cost test. You're talking currently thousands of dollars per test, and even in the hundreds of dollars per test, it's prohibitively expensive for a national screening program when you have to do everybody. So our tests are very low cost because what we're looking for is very unique. The nucleosomes are completely unique. We're the only people looking for them in blood. That's why we have such a strong IP portfolio. But the method of detection we use is a very old, stable method of detection called ELISA, which makes our tests extremely low cost and good value for money. So they can be run very commonly, they can be run very often, and can really be a help to the healthcare systems around the world. You're probably also familiar, every healthcare system in the world is under severe stress because we're getting older, which means we're getting more disease, and everything's getting more and more expensive. What the world needs is not more complicated, expensive cures or diagnostics. It needs to save money from the system so it can be used better elsewhere. And that's exactly what we aim to provide, which also makes us very unique.